nails in there. We got nails in that. One thing I do want to point out too, we do have some material transfer right here. I'll take the camera from the cameraman here so I can get that. But just underneath, which edge was it? Right there. You can see it's kind of ripped a piece off right there. There's a chunk hanging on the bottom as well. So that's just one kind of corner that's going to be the next shingle actually that will likely see trouble, because that's going to have trouble sealing down. So we got our nails back in our shingles at our back. Last thing to do is get these nails back in our shingles here. Try to use the same holes. It should make it a little easier for us, because these ones are going to be a little more rigid. As you can see, they aren't wanting to really give me any room to work with, so I can hit that in flush like it needs to be. Alright, I gotta grab a few more nails here. Don't want to hit the edge of that shingle and bust it up. Few more nails. All right. So, go back and find our other spots that are left. So that one's pulled through there. We're going to put one more in here. If I can get it there. Have a couple more left here. I'll grab that. Maybe one more left. And then we'll get this brush out again. Nope. Should be it. All right, so going back down Mr. Shaw, we're gonna test these shingles again. We're gonna do these control ones first. You can see there's no granules coming off, kind of like we would expect. These shingles haven't been manipulated at all, so they shouldn't really be losing anything. Down here, you can see kind of where I originally chalked. That chalk's actually gone now. But as I brush this, you can see all the granules that are coming off that there. Not as much over here where it really wasn't touched, but you can see that actually has a crease in it there. If I go over here, this one here, number 5, starting to form one as well. Right across here. Looking at number 2. That one's actually, this would be number 3 actually, sorry. But this one's actually not as bad as these other couple ones that we're seeing. And 4, we're losing just a little bit. Let's see what number 1's doing. We are losing some on 1 here. So you can just see we did have some material transfer in this corner here. We've got some additional creasing and a little bit of tearing going on in these shingles surrounding it. The last thing that, I guess the kind of the obvious one is going to be, how does the the appearance of it and how does it look when we're comparing it to the rest of them around it. It's going to be kind of up for you to determine, and if this is something you're willing to accept and sign off on, Mr. Shaw. If not, we'll have to kind of talk about next steps.